Hello everyone, this is Afsar Ali and welcome to my channel RP and Automation Training. So in this video, uh, we'll see how to launch browsers like Chrome browser, Firefox browser and Internet Explorer browsers, and we'll see some architecture, how the things works behind the scenario. Okay, so basically we'll learn how to launch the Chrome browser, Firefox browser, and Internet Explorer browser. So let's see quickly. Let's see with the Eclipse IDE, and let's see how the things works. So let me quickly create one project. Go to File, go to New, Java project, and let's name it Selenium Training. Sorry. Okay, so click on the next and finish. So one project is being created and you need to create one package. Let's say com.observe.browser testing. Okay, and finish. Let's create one class. Okay, and let's say Internet Explorer browser. Fine, and click on this public static void main and generate some comments. Fine, so the main method is being included. Now you need to write something like this. WebDriver driver equals new Internet Explorer driver. Okay, you can see Internet Explorer driver should be present over here. Okay, let me check. Okay, fine. It's saying fix the project project setup, because we have not included a Selenium jar in this project. Okay, for that, go to fix the project setup from here, or you can just right click in this project and go to the build path, configure build path. Now you need to add the external jars. Okay, I have already downloaded Selenium Server Standalone 3.8.1. So this is the latest version right now. I have already downloaded in my machine. So if you do not have this, you can download it from seleniumhq.org, and from seleniumhq.org you go to download section, and from here you can download the Selenium standalone server. Okay, you can download this. So right now it is 3.10.0. This is the latest version as of now. You can go ahead and download it, as I have already 3.8.0, so that will work for me. Okay, and for Internet Explorer driver as well, you need to download this Internet Explorer driver server, 32-bit window driver server or 64-bit. According to your configuration, you can download the drivers for any browser. Like if you want to run it for Chrome, you can download it from here. Sorry, here 2.33, and if you are running in Mozilla Firefox, then go for Gecko driver. Okay, click on this Gecko driver, and from here you can download it. Like if it is your window machine, you can download 32-bit or 64-bit according to your configuration. And if it is a Mac, just go ahead and download Mac. Okay, this one or this one according to your machine configuration, 32-bit or 64-bit. Fine. So now we'll import this 3.8.1 and click on apply. Okay, and now our Internet Explorer should be present. Okay, let's see. Okay, here you can find Internet Explorer driver. Okay, this one you can click on this, and you need to import this. You can just hover on this red mark and just import. Click on this import, or the shortcut is from keyboard. You can Control Shift O. If you enter, so that everything automatically it will import, and if there is any unused package is present, that will be removed automatically. You need to do Control Shift and O. Fine. Now let's write something called driver.get, and here we'll navigate to http www.google.co.in. Let's run it and let's see what happens when I run this thing. So it's saying some error. The path to the driver executable must be set by the webdriver.i.driver. This is because we have not provided any driver. Okay, we have not set any driver for Internet Explorer. So for that, we need to write system.setProperty. Sorry, system.setProperty, and you need to select this one, key and value. Okay, and from here you can write webdriver.ie.driver, and here the path of that WebDriver I have already downloaded from here. You can see for Internet Explorer driver, you can download it from here. Okay, Internet Explorer driver server 32-bit and 64-bit. I have downloaded 32-bit because sometime if you download a 64-bit according to your configuration, but it will not work as expected. But if you download it 32-bit, it is a bit faster. So that's why I use 32-bit generally. Okay, so let's give the path of the driver. I have IE driver server in this location, so I can give the path of this location. Okay, copy as, just click on Shift and then right click, so it will show you copy as path. Okay, and you can paste over here. And the Java, it's saying some error because it's saying this is escape sequences, so we need to use double backslash or single forward slash. Okay, so let's see. Fine, it should work now. Okay, so let's run it once again. Yes, browser is launching now. Google is opened up. So this is how we write launching this Internet Explorer browser. Sometime what happens is, sometime if this protected mode is not off, okay, there is a checkbox in Internet Explorer browser. You can see from here, go to Internet Options, okay, security. Okay, so the thing you need to take care of is the all security level 1, 2, 3, 4. That is local internet, trusted site, restricted site. So there is some security level. Okay, that need to be same for all, or you need to check this one, enable protected mode. Okay, enable protected mode require Internet Explorer. Fine, or sometime it will not work and sometime it will work. So it is good practice to check all these things, enable protected mode for all the security level, and keep your security level zone to same. If it is a medium low, then keep medium low for all. Okay, or medium or high, whatever, but you need to keep it same for all level. If it is not working, if it is working fine, then that is well and good. But if it is not working, then you need to take this precaution. Okay, check all these enable protected mode for all zones. Correct. But in my case, it's working fine, so I'm not gonna change anything. Fine. Similarly, I can write this similar code for Internet Chrome browser and Mozilla Firefox. So let's see. I'm just copy and paste over here, and let's see how it works. Okay, and I'll say it's a Chrome browser. Fine. So in Chrome browser, I need to only change this thing. In case of in place of this Internet Explorer, I need to change Chrome driver. Okay, this one. And I need to give this Chrome driver server path, and here in place of IE I need to write Chrome. Okay, and Chrome driver path. I have Chrome driver. Okay, I can just paste over here, and now let's see it is working fine or not. Yes, the Chrome browser is opened up, and now Google is open. Fine. So this is how Chrome browser works. Similarly, we can do for Mozilla Firefox as well. Okay, let's paste it, copy and the paste same class. Firefox, I would say browser. Okay, so in this case also you need to do the same thing, but here you need to write, instead of you need to write gecko, and this one is gecko driver. Let's see, there is a gecko driver I have already downloaded. As I said, pasted, and now here to write Firefox driver. Okay, so basically if you are using Selenium, okay, Selenium 2.53 or below, you don't have to write this particular line. Okay, because this driver, Firefox driver, was internally, okay, it was connected with the Selenium. So after 2.53, okay, we have to give this Firefox driver, as the support for this Firefox driver is no longer uh, is present in Selenium. So we need to include Gecko driver. Okay, this is the important thing. If you are using 3 or 2.53 and above, you need to use Gecko driver. Okay, so let's see. Let's run. Sorry, let's run it. So now it's working. Firefox opened up and Google is open. So fine. So basically how this Selenium WebDriver works. Okay, so we have Selenium language bindings. As I said, Selenium has different bindings like Java bindings. It has Ruby, Python, C#. Okay, so different bindings are present for Selenium. Okay, so you can write the code in Java, maybe in Ruby, etc. But that code will connect it with the JSON wire protocol. Okay, and that JSON protocol will communicate with a browser driver. Like we use for Chrome browser, we use Chrome driver, and Firefox we use Gecko driver. So this JSON wire protocol will communicate with this driver, web driver, right? Browser driver, I would say. So that browser driver will communicate with a real browser. Like if it is a Firefox driver or Gecko driver, it will communicate with the Firefox browser, or that is a real browser, okay, over HTTP server. And that also gives some response to this browser driver using HTTP server. Okay, so basically, Selenium client library or language bindings, it support multiple libraries such as Java, Ruby, Python, etc. Okay, Selenium developers have developed language bindings to allow Selenium to support multiple languages, and there is a JSON wire protocol in between this. I would say this is a compiler, okay, which will compile the language binding code into this browser readable format. Okay, so JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Okay, and it is used to transfer data between a server and a client on the web. So JSON wire protocol is a REST API that transfers the information between HTTP server. Each browser driver, such as Firefox, Chrome, and maybe Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, okay, driver, it has its own HTTP server. Okay? And the browser drivers, each browser contains separate browser driver, as I said earlier, and browser driver communicate with the respective browsers without revealing the internal logic of browser's functionality, because WebDriver is a interface and the browser driver, it's a class. Okay, so there is a contract in between the WebDriver and the browser driver. So we'll talk more about that in the next video, how the things works, how the interface and that class works. Okay, how the internal things, what is present within this Chrome driver class or Firefox driver class or Internet Explorer driver class. So we'll see in detail about in all the things in the next video. Okay, when a browser driver is received any command from the users, like we want to navigate to this URL, we write something like driver.get and that URL we have provided, right? So that command will be executed on the respective browser and response will go back in form of HTTP response. So this is how the things works in Selenium. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and share and comment this video. Okay, and subscribe my channel so that you won't miss any video in future. I'll be creating a lot of videos in Selenium, in RPA tools like Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere. So everything I'll be creating. So if you subscribe, you will be getting notification. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.